AJ, welcome to another episode of Sibling Rivalry, the show where I play games with my sister.
I play games with my brother.
And she loses.
And we drink a lot.
Yeah.
All right, what are we playing today?
What are we playing today? What are we playing today?
Tell me, I don't know.
Tell me what we're playing.
He's the one that coordinates this.
Oh, it's Fishing Duel on the Atari 2600.
Atari. I got my Hyperkin joystick, controller, remote.
Yeah, she has the nicer joystick. I have a regular.
He has the old-fashioned style that may or may not work very well.
So, if you don't know about Fishing Duel, look it up!
Now, instead of being so hostile towards our viewers, why don't you tell them what's going on?
I have no idea what's going on. I found it in the list of two-player games that works for our show.
So you've never played before until
Not before
our
this,
practice?
No. I played a few
seconds.
So
we're on.
No, I played a few seconds before you showed up. Somebody was doing their hair. Okay. My hair is naturally perfect.
Well, my hair requires a little bit of finesse.
Mine is just awesome.
Also, I had to make sure I had a nice clean shirt and pretty lipstick.
Oh, I don't think I changed my shirt from the last episode. Yeah, that happens.
All right, so let's play.
All right.
Tell me how it goes.
You know how it goes.
Tell the viewers how it goes. Okay. Wait.
We're playing the opposite players.
Wait, I'm not the one on the right?
I'm the red one.
Okay, I'm the green one. And if you go up too fast, the shark will eat your fish.
No, it's not speed, it's position. If the shark is close, then it will.
Oh, see, he ate my. Oh wait, it said I got 8 points.
I love how the fishing line moves.
You can go up and down with the fishing line, but it's really hard to get. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh, see that shark just ate my fish. Okay, now I'm going up. And it's so tricky. Like, I can't get the cable in the right spot. Okay, there it is. There it is. You have no control of when or where it goes up.
I think you do. If you push up on the line, I think you have some control.
Did he just eat your fish? He did.
He did, but then I got one.
I can't get him to eat the fish.
What are you going to do?
Damn it! Oh my god, that's so frustrating. That shark. I want to kill that shark.
It deserves to die. All I care about is that I'm winning. This stupid game. I think there's some randomness involved.
Is there?
Yeah.
You told me random wasn't real a thing, and
I think there's some pseudo randomness involved.
I think it's made to like not win. Ah! You see that stupid shark?
Yeah, I do. I like how there's one shark for both of us.
I hate that. The only thing you can do, you can't go up faster. Like, it goes up the speed it goes up. And the hitbox on this is ridiculous.
Yeah. This is
Oh, this is neck and neck, Tim.
neck and neck.
Damn you, shark. He's going faster now.
He's doing something.
He was. How long does this game go till?
Does the button push have anything to do with anything?
No, I haven't touched the button once.
It's all about position of your line?
Yeah. Is literally where your line is.
Yeah, there's a lot of random. I think you're cheating with the better joystick.
Ah!
No, I think there is button pushing involved.
What does the button do?
I don't know, but
So far, all that's happened is my fish gets eaten. What's the end score? Do we know?
no.
First person to 50?
First person is something. Oh, man. Oh, my wrist hurt.
That's what she said.
Masturbating all over again.
That's what she said. That's what he said. I can't seem to get the... It's a very fine little spot where you can get the
Just like masturbating, jiggling the joystick really helps.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I shouldn't have said that.
Yeah, you should have, because that really, like, you're right. It gave me a lot of... No wonder your wrist hurt. I can see now.
That's why I'm better at the game. More practice.
Oh, shit. Come on, fish. Bite! Bite!
Oh, my wrist hurt, just like normal. Do you get more points for the lower ones?
You do get more points for the lower ones.
Oh, you get points just for catching. And then you get points for... Oh, my wrist hurts. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Is this going forever? How many points are we going to go to?
I don't know what the... How do you find the final score? All right, I won for 64.
No.
I won.
No, that's not the winning score.
Is it 100? Is it first person to 100?
See, that's how I know you didn't win, because I have 64 as well.
This game! Tim, why didn't you look up how you win?
Didn't seem pertinent at the time.
What you didn't know is there's no winner.
68! 68 wins!
No. It was 64 when I was
God damn.
when I was the lead.
The jiggling is so important to this game. Oh, man. What was it called? Fishing...
I'm going to try to get to 100. First person to 100 wins, okay? Whether it's the game or not.
All right, I can agree to that.
Damn it. Fucking shark. Neck and neck. Neck and neck.
My wrists are killing me, AJ.
That's what she said.
She shouldn't have said that.
That's what she says a lot. Oh. I'm at 90, Tim.
I've given up.
What?
No, I haven't, but
You better not, because I don't play cheater, winner, losers.
man, that sucked.
Oh, here's where I win. Oh, no, 99. I did win.
You did win. I need a drink.
I won. Wow.
Oh, that was hard.
That was a hard game, and I did it. Oh, I love games where I have an equal opportunity to win.
I hate this game.
Tim, cheers to you.
Nobody can see the cheers.
Oh. Cheers!
Clink it. To people who drink.
To people who drink. Which includes me.
AJ, this is a good game.
That was a good game. Gosh darn. Wow. That was neck and neck the whole way through.
This game had no right to being this good. What was it called again?
I don't know. Fishing, I don't know what you picked it.
I can't look unless I stop my camera, so.
He picks all the games.
I said it aloud earlier, so go
It's out
back.
there. It's out there. It'll be in the title. Whatever. We know. Intellivision fishing of some kind.
Yeah. This is fun.
Nice.
Hi, everybody.
Well done, Tim. Well done.
My name's Tim.
Excellent.
I'm a game player. I like
Good job.
walking. I like long walks on beach. I like.
You haven't rated the game.
I give this game 27 purples. 27 purples.
I'm giving mine 5 border collies.
Arf, arf.
Well, they have a lot of energy. They're fun. They're zany. And 5 of them is a lot to handle, which is kind of like how this game went.
My wrists hurt so bad.
He's out of practice.
Oh no, I've practiced a lot. It's just, I don't practice like this.
I think he was doing it wrong because I won and my wrist don't hurt.
I don't do it wrong.
My wrist don't hurt.
I know how to do it. Jesus Christ, AJ.
All right. Well done. And thanks for joining us, everyone. Great to have you along our fun ride on new video games. This was a new one and a fun one. And comment below on whether you liked it or not.
Yeah, and come see us at the Cocoa Fest.
Yeah, definitely join us at Cocoa Fest. It's in Chicago. We'll put the details in the description below if you can make it out there. If you're in the area, come say hi. And have a good time.
Yep.
Love you guys. Bye.
I love you all.
That's how you know when Tim's drunk.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.